Let's motherfucking go. This is it. I'm parking this bitch. This is it. Big body Supra. Let's go. Let's fucking go. We breaking records and shit, man. Let's do it, man. Let's fucking do it.
30.
Definitely boost weather, guys. Definitely boost weather. She's on all matching stock tires. So yeah, things are gonna get nice. Gonna just take her out, do a couple draggy pulls for y'all, see what she puts down with better weather. I did 11 threes in like 83-degree weather, so let's try it in 59-degree weather. Hopefully we crack 11 twos, and then yeah, we see what she could put down right now, and then from there on we just keep improving. But big turbo is gonna be installed Monday, so I have to pick up a gasket for her, and then after I pick up the exhaust gasket, we're Gucci. She throw on the big turbo. It's gonna sound crazy. I just cannot wait for that, guys. So yeah, man, I'm gonna give you a little POV of me driving her and just doing some pulls for y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So yeah, I just got in the car. Let me start her up. That bitch started up way too loud. God damn. I gotta turn back on the startup shit. God damn. Fuck it. We're just gonna start her up again and leave. So right now I'm trying to dial in my burbles. I got them like sounding kind of nice. Like I know where it sounds cool, but I want them to pop a little louder. I don't know if it's the MHD or what, but they're not popping like no boot mode, you feel me? Like they sound kind of soft compared to boot mode. So let me know if y'all know about that. But yeah, we don't got no gas. We got 44 miles. But yeah, we're gonna make this a crazy video for y'all, man. I'm gonna drive around, try to get a couple more hits in and see. I'm not trying to go to jail tonight, y'all, so I just seen a cop and I got spooked. You know what I mean? So we just trying to do everything safe, do everything where we're not gonna get swayed, you know? Hold on, we gotta check engine light. Because we may have a code from the flash. That happens sometimes, guys. Codes pop up from the flash. So the only thing you really got to do when a code pops up is basically turn off the car, freaking plug your OBD2 port back in. Let me see, it's already in. So I just got to end the video, go to the settings, hook it up, and then clear codes, and then we should be good. Every time you flash, you have to clear codes because check engine light will pop up. But other than that, I had no problems flashing the car. It doesn't like to connect, but I got a new phone and it's connecting perfectly. So I think that resolved the issue. I'm gonna get the GoPro head mount for you guys so the POVs could be way more POV style. But I'll be holding the camera, guys. I'm sorry. If you don't like me holding the camera, buy me a POV head clip, you know. But yeah, guys, thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's boost weather outside, man. Hope y'all excited, man. It's real. It's been a crazy journey with this car. I'm about to install the big turbo. I'm about to pay for the tune. I cannot wait. I think I'm gonna pay for flex fuel. I'm gonna pay for a flex fuel tune so I could run flex fuel while I don't have to worry about gas. I could throw full E and then I could throw 93 whenever, you know what I mean? And just be chilling. So yeah, guys, let's do it. And just like that, guys, turn her on. Cleared the code, check engine light's gone. And yeah, we're good to go. So yeah, I just got a slushy, guys. So I'm not gonna go too hard for y'all because I don't want my slushy spilling everywhere. Actually, let me sip my slushy a little bit, man. Let's have a talk with her. Taylor, do you like how I've been cheating you? Fuck no, daddy. You've been treating me real bad. I don't like this shit. You fucking just take me and abuse me and just do whatever the fuck you feel like it, and it's not right. I'm sorry, Taylor. You know that I bought you for this reason. I bought you to go fast, and I just want to see you upgraded. Well, just be nice to me sometimes because, you know, I have feelings too. I'm sorry, you know, I tend to not care about feelings, you know, because nobody ever cared about mine, you know. You helped me with my feelings. Well, we just have to find a way to make this work because I don't want you to blow me the fuck up, okay? Okay, Taylor, I understand. We don't have to go through this anymore. I'll make sure I'll buy you an intake manifold and an upgraded heat exchanger so you always stay cool, okay, baby girl? Yes, Daddy, thanks, man. And make sure you upgrade my transmission too, because if you blow my tranny, I'm gonna be really mad at you. I know, I got you, man. Just stay in there, man. Stay. We got this. Alright? Let's go for the POV, guys. Let's do it. We had to have a little talk with Taylor. Make sure she is happy, you know. If she ain't happy, then she ain't gonna perform for us, you know what I mean? And then I put on my custom transmission tune too. So should be all gravy right now. Oh yes, we got a red light. Alright. See what we could do, man. I just gotta practice launching. That's the only thing. I don't know if I should just floor it. Let me make sure there's no cops behind me. Alright, that's not a cop. That's not a cop. But I don't know if I should just floor it, guys, or should I, you know? I need 5% sense because you can see right in here with the ambient lighting. Yeah, so I don't know if I should floor it or what, guys, but I'm gonna attempt it. I'm just gonna floor it and let it go when it hits 3. See if I'll build boost good enough. And then see if we just get out the hole good. Oh yeah, that was perfect. That was perfect. I'm mad I didn't have a Dragy on that one. I'm mad I didn't have a Dragy on that one. That, bro, it blew tires off. I never did that before. That was crazy, guys. Oh my God. That one was amazing. That pull was crazy. It never did that for me. And the boy put up on me in mid-video. What's good, gang? What's good, gang? What's good, gang? Let's go. 340, gang. Let's do it. Hey. Hey, what you on, Brody?
What's good, man? You know, man. We shifting, man.
Hey, we out here. We out here, man. Hey, you saw that pool, dog?
Yeah, man. I just watched your video, bro. Your little Dragy, that shit looking nice.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm out here making this content, dog. We gotta come up one day. You already know how it goes.
Yo, you already know how us 40 brothers doing it, man.
Yes, sir. Skirt off for it. Let's see what you got. Hey. Woo! 40 gang, 40 gang. Okay. My boy put up on me, boy. go back on the Dragy app, and I want to get one more Dragy pull in. You know what I mean? Get one more pull on the Dragy and see what she pulling like. You know what I mean? Let's do it. All right, y'all. Let's see what it do. Just floor it to 3. #1 fastest 540 on Dragy. Let's go. Let's motherfucking go. This is it. I'm parking this bitch. This is it. Big body Supra. Let's go. Let's fucking go. We breaking records and shit, man. Let's do it, man. Let's fucking do it.
30. 30. 60. Quarter mile.
Woo! Let's go! Let's fucking go! 11-1, nigga. Let's go. I was building boosts wrong. Let's go. Give me the fucking record, nigga. #1 fastest 540 on Dragy. Let's go. Let's motherfucking go. This is it. I'm parking this bitch. This is it. Big body Supra. Let's go. Let's fucking go. We breaking records and shit, man. Let's do it, man. Let's fucking do it.
30.
Y'all just seen it. She just went 11-1. Cold ass day. You already know how it go, man. She's going crazy, man. We're installing the turbo. After we install the turbo, it's game over. We on stock wheels. Who you gonna expect going 11-1s on stock wheels like this? Come on, man. She's a beast, man. Why would I buy an M5 when this bitch is crazy like this? You know what I mean? I love her, man. We gotta put that M5 front bumper on. She's in. And then after that, we're just gonna keep modding her and just see where she go from there, man. Got the lowering springs in the trunk. I don't know if I want to install those yet, as of yet, but you know, we're just gonna keep going, keep proceeding to do with greatness, and wherever God takes us, that's the journey, you know. Like, comment, subscribe, man. I know y'all love the journey. I don't sugarcoat nothing. All my videos got action in it, so yeah, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Let's do this, man. Dragy, we have Dragy to prove everything. We're not capping, bro. The car just did 11-1. We're lit as hell, man. I'm so excited to see what this car does with the big turbo, how it sounds, how it reacts. I definitely gonna change the exhaust because I do not like it anymore. It sounds too droney. So I'm gonna get something with a muffler on it to muffle up some of the sound. But then after that, we're golden. Probably add the lip, and then the roof thing, the roof spoiler, the trunk spoiler, and then front lip, carbon fiber stuff, and then yeah, call that a build, and then start working on the engine, build the trans, and then yeah, she's done, man. Good ass car. I love her, man. She's so amazing. B58 is such a good machine, bro. Oh my god, bro, this car is amazing. If you're looking for a car, make sure you get a BMW 40. Anything with a 40 is definitely gonna change your life. Trust me. All right, what's up, y'all? Thank y'all for showing the video some love, man. I got this line because I cracked the screen protector first day I bought the phone, unfortunately. But thank y'all for showing my videos love, man. I appreciate the constant support. Shout out Trishi for showing love. Shout out everybody that's showing me love, man. My build is a speed build. I'm getting rims, but I want to get the speed shit done first. And then I'll slowly park the car, buy rims, lower it. I got the lowering springs, got the M5 front bumper. I just don't, like, that's going to take time away from me making content. So I want to put out as much content and just keep having content for you guys. So to try to stay consistent as possible. But thank y'all for tuning in, man. You know, I had the do-rag on because it's real cold and them dogs need to be put away. I don't want poofy hair at work. But yeah, guys, turbo's going to get installed soon. Purchasing a tune from Sam, so I'm excited about that. We did 11.3 this video, y'all. Can y'all believe that? The car did 11.3. This big bitch doing 11.3, man. I see M240I's doing 11.2s. And we're doing 11.1, 11.3s, guys. Come on, man. 0 to 60 in 3.1. This car definitely has an 11.0 in it because I did a 0 to 60 in a 3.0 before. And I went 11.3 because I didn't launch properly. So if I get the launch down perfectly, this shit can actually go 10s. I am 100% sure I could go 10s OTS. You know what I mean? But yeah, the car goes crazy, y'all. I love this car. Like, I am so happy with this shit, y'all. Like, 540. I was like, damn, I should have got the M5. I should have got the M5. Fuck. Or M550. But then I'm seeing, like, the growth. And I'm seeing, like, me learning the car more. And, like, I'm falling in love with this thing. Like, this is probably one of my favorite purchases I ever made. And yeah, this car is definitely amazing, guys. Thank y'all for keep tuning into the channel, man. I really appreciate the support. We're this close to getting monetized, guys. So watch those videos out. Before you go to bed, let them shits play out, man. Put it on from the first video and let all of them play out for me. Show me some love. This shit is not cheap. So if we could start getting monetized to that would help with the transmission build. And yeah, the world's fastest 540, man. We're going for that goal, man. So let's keep on building up, man. Keep on adding more parts to the puzzle, man. We're gonna need low pressure fuel pump, high pressure fuel pump next. I got PI, I got big turbo that I'm gonna install. And then after that, we're gonna need intake manifold, heat exchanger, and a whole bunch of goodies, man. So guys, just keep watching the videos, watch them out. When there's ads, watch the ads, man. And yeah, we're going crazy, man. Thank y'all, man. Thank y'all for everything y'all have done for me. Thank y'all for supporting the channel, man. I really appreciate every one of you guys. And yeah, you're great, man. You're great. You're the best person in the world. So just keep telling yourself you're great and take it day by day, and you can accomplish anything you would like to, guys. You know what I mean? I never thought I'd be in this position. So yeah, just keep having a positive mind every day. If negative people are around you, you got to zone them out, act like they don't exist, just to keep positive, man. And let's do it, man. Keep moving forward, guys. Thanks.